All right, so today I have just picked up, that's why I got the tow truck here. Usually I don't have the tow truck around. This 2001 Hyundai Elantra. It's a beautiful car for what it is. Cheap, you know, couple little imperfections, nothing major. For the most part, this thing looks good. And I noticed this little starter, what's the name in here? And well, this is what the story was. The idea was to get this car. I had a couple customers ask me, do I have any cars? Do I know anybody who's got cars? Well, long story short, I did have somebody who had a car, and it was this car. He says that he didn't know very much about it. He bought it in a deal, and he got a gang of cars with it. He didn't know if it ran or whatever. He was told that it did. But either way, he needed to get it towed from the location. So after going back and forth, I told him, I'm like, man, we'll tow it to my shop. We'll post it up there. I'll work on it. I'll keep it outside, see what I can come up with. So first thing I did, I put a battery in it and came over here and I pulled up Dixit, checked the oil. Like, okay, it's got oil on it, cool. Came here. I'm like, well, there's no water in here. I wonder what's that about. That's very strange. Well, either way, I'm gonna tell you what happened. When I go to turn this thing over, oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's the neighbor dog. It's cool. It's cool. My wife was like, come here. No, it's okay. That dog's cool. The dog's cool. It's gonna lick you, but yeah, no, there people's over there. It's a cool dog. Come here, Emmy. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, you scared my wife. Yeah, you scared my wife. Yeah, you just want to be loved. That's it. You just want to be loved. You see? All this love around you. Yeah. So this is somebody's dog. I'm making a YouTube video, don't mind me. All right, so maybe I should pause it about here. We will get right back to this after a brief intermission. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been trying to get to work for an hour. Now, usually when I come to the shop, this happens, and it's okay. Now, the person who takes the most time from me is not here right now. My phone's going off. You know, conversations are happening. It's a blessing, but it's very hard to be productive. But right now, I got Dustin here. That guy right there.
Hello.
And Dustin is gonna show what we got. So, we got a crank no start. And with my beautiful wife and baby in the background. I'm probably gonna edit them out, so you might not even see this whole thing because I keep mine private. All right, what we got going on? Listen to this. Key in the ignition. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, well, I already told y'all we checked the oil, checked the radiator. There was absolutely nothing in the radiator. Boom, shakalaka. Oil had a considerable amount on it. Looks good. No milkiness or nothing like that. So next thing to do, what we're gonna do, what I always do in this situation, and y'all know, usually I go towards the lube, but we got plenty of lube. I got this bad boy jacked up, wheel off, and this is where Dustin comes in. Now, if you break this, it's okay, but just be careful. I don't want you to hurt yourself. We're going straight to the crank, and I want to see if he can turn this while I hold the camera. All right, there we go. And stand back. Just be careful, don't bust no knuckles or nothing. If it's too much, hey, your ass is showing. Your ass is okay, there we go. He is going. You busted it off? Nope, no. Hold on, I think it goes the other way anyway.
It does.
All right, there we go. Is it turning? Is he turning it?
No, I'm turning the bolt.
I'm about to say, then.
I'm turning the bolt.
I'm looking for the hoses. Yeah, no. You good.
Yep,
You good.
it
Okay.
won't turn.
Yeah, that thing is locked up. That's a bum hole with no lube. It is absolutely dry and it's absolutely locked and tight. So we got a locked up engine. I was already kind of afraid of it anyway. This gentleman says, you know, take the plugs out, you know. And now I made a video about this. Y'all may remember I had a Kia Optima, like a 2008, 2009 or something like that. They ran that one. It cut off on them while driving at like 80 miles an hour, and I knew that was already done. This one, I have no backstory. I have no prior knowledge to it. I opened the hood, I looked, and I'm like, oh, it came from the north or from the seaside because it's got a lot of shore. Tried to crank it, didn't work. Put a jump box on it, didn't work. Put a new battery and a jump box on it, and it still didn't do anything. Then somebody's like, oh, it's a starter, go tap the starter. So I'm looking for the starter, only to come down here and find out, well, you can't really see it from the video, but it's right underneath the back side of the intake. But this goes back to what I said. I found this, and this indicated that there was a new starter, because when I look at it, it looks very, very new. So a perfectly good car that I thought was gonna be for sale to help somebody out is no longer available, and that is all she wrote. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching me. I'm gonna get to the shop eventually. We still working outside, baby. I'm still doing it. I'm still doing my thing. Thank you to D-Man over here for giving me assistance. I know it's super windy, so y'all probably won't be able to hear me as good. Until next time, mi gente, keep those motors running good. And if you need some automotive help, give me a shout at CesarAuto.com. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, mi gente, pi pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.